Hello bag builders, I'm absolutely thrilled to introduce you to my sewing pattern for the Clever Core Tote. It's much easier than it appears and it's suitable for domestic machines. The downloadable PDF comes with complete written instructions, printable pattern pieces and a full video tutorial. If you're a fan of my Magic Middle bucket bag, you might find this concept a little familiar. The method of attaching a flat bottom pouch right inside that bag was so incredibly popular that I knew I had to bring that same magic to a classic tote shape. But this isn't just a carbon copy. I've re-engineered it by creating this wide, spacious shape that even holds most laptops. And it incorporates a massive, fully structured pouch right inside. This is the actual size of the pouch and it holds a huge amount. All making it perfect for shopping days, work, college, even the beach. You could even make the pouch on its own. Let's take a moment to look at the engineering inside this lining. We all love the classic relaxed look of an open top tote bag, but none of us like the security anxiety that usually comes with it. Nobody wants their bag acting like an open invitation for opportunistic hands. Enter the Clever Core. This is our secret security weapon. Inside you get a fully integrated, flat-bottomed, zippered pouch that is completely built into the side seams and into the base of the bag. So all three sides and bottom. It doesn't float around, it isn't hanging loosely anywhere, and it doesn't create a bottomless pit. Because it has a true flat base, it isn't just a bag divider, it behaves like genuine, usable storage space. Plus a huge zip security pocket in the lining too. So you get the effortless style of a tote on the outside with absolute security and organisation on the inside. Let's take a look at the features. It's a clean, modern silhouette with some clever secrets. On the exterior, there are no side seams. The outer bag is engineered without side seams, which dramatically keeps construction bulk down. Great for us domestic machine owners. The outside centre seam is a design feature which gives you so much room to play. You can use two contrasting fabric prints, cut the same fabric on an angle to show off the grain, or use it as a canvas for your own embroidery and embellishments. Even add an overlay and a tri-glide as I did here. The straps are really versatile. You can make standard grab handles, classic shoulder length straps, or you can add the optional removable adjustable crossbody strap if you prefer a hands-free carry. On the interior we have a snug fitting lining. I've included separate lining pattern pieces so everything sits beautifully flush inside with no baggy fabric. We have our huge pouch fully attached at sides and bottom, and it fits an endless amount: wallet, makeup, keys, a book, even an iPad. We have a large zip security pocket in the lining too, which is perfect for a large wallet, documents and even a Kindle. We turn the bag through this at the end so there's no unsightly seams in the lining. And just to mention, there is no binding. There are large compartments both sides of the pouch too for anything else you might want to carry, books, even most laptops. This is a 15-inch laptop. And for even more security, there's an optional sleek flap with simple and easy magnetic snap fastening. And here's a massive bonus. The whole thing requires hardly any hardware, just two zippers and an optional snap, making it incredibly budget friendly. This pattern is completely domestic machine friendly and works beautifully in just about any fabric you can dream up. You can sew this in cottons, tweeds, waterproof canvas, wax canvas, faux leather and vinyl. And because of how uniquely this internal pouch is anchored all the way around, the bag naturally holds its shape brilliantly, meaning you'll actually use far less interfacing than you normally would for a bag this size too. Speaking of size, the finished dimensions are approximately in inches 16 wide by 10.5 high by 4 inches deep, and in centimetres that's 41 centimetres wide by 27 high by 10 centimetres deep. And if you want the ultimate coordinated look, why not make a matching curvilicious wallet to slide right inside? I have to say a massive thank you to my amazing group of pattern testers. They've been sewing these non-stop and their versions are absolutely lovely. Best of all, They've resoundingly said that the Clever Core Tote is much easier to construct than it looks, and it sews up incredibly fast. These are real makes by real sewists, 100% genuine photos. My testers do not use AI or AI imagery. The pattern is available right now on my website at www.spencerogg.com, or you can find the link in the description box below this video. The Clever Core Tote is rated for confident beginners and beyond. When you purchase the pattern, you get the full instantly downloadable PDF pattern, complete with highly detailed step-by-step written instructions, clear colour photos for every single stage, and full-scale printable pattern pieces. Plus, your purchase includes a comprehensive full-length video tutorial where I walk you through the entire construction from start to finish. If you haven't already, please do come and join our wonderful Spencer Ogg Facebook group. It's a fantastic, supportive community of over 30,000 makers sharing inspiration, fabric choices and tips every single day. It's not a subscription service, it's completely free to join, and you can ask any questions about bag making and my patterns. There's a whole wealth of information and knowledge there. I truly hope you love making and using the Clever Core Tote as much as I loved engineering it for you. So if you're ready to sew on with me, grab your pattern and let's go sew.